大家好 Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to write and use the Chinese character Kai. Let's get started. Evolution of the Chinese character Kai. The earliest form of the character Kai, which means open or to open in English, can be traced back to the Warring States period script. It is composed of the radicals men, meaning door, and gǒng, a pictorial representation of two hands. Additionally, it includes the addition of the component E representing the door latch. This character is rather similar to the character found in 说文解字, an ancient Chinese dictionary compiled by the scholar Xu Sheng during the Eastern Han Dynasty. Men represents the door, E is the door latch, and gǒng are the hands that open the door. Kai later evolved to look like this traditional Chinese format and simplified version. The Chinese character Kai in the simplified form has only 4 strokes altogether. The radical is gǒng, which means two hands, and yi, which is one. Gǒng represents the hands lifting the latch, yi, of a door. How to use the Chinese character kai. Let us now learn the meaning of the Chinese word kai when used in different contexts. Kai has various meanings when combined with another Chinese word. HSK Level 1 Chinese word Kai. Kai by itself means to open in English. Sentence example 打开门. 打开 means to open. 门 is door. So 打开门 means open the door. HSK Level 2 开始. 开始 means to start, to begin. 始 expresses the initiation or commencement of something. Hence, the 开 in 开始 does not have the meaning of open, but rather the meaning of start. 考试将要开始了. The exam is about to begin. HSK Level 4 开心. Xin means heart or mind in English. 开心 indicates a happy and joyous state of mind, feeling delighted, rather than opening the heart. 他考到好成绩，非常的开心. He is very happy because he obtained good results in the exam. 开玩笑. 开玩笑 is a Chinese expression that means to make a joke or to joke around. 玩 is play and 笑 is laugh. 玩笑 express the meaning of joke or kidding around. 开 over here has the meaning of to start or to make. 别拿我来开玩笑. Don't joke about me. HSK Level 5 开发. 开发 has 2 different meanings depending on the context that it is used. The first meaning is to develop or to open up for development, such as software development. 软件 开发 or 资源开发 resource development. The second meaning is to exploit land or resources. For example, 这是一块值得开发的地段. This is an area worth developing or to explore. The 发 in 开发 means to send out or to develop. 开放 The Chinese phrase 开放 means open or openness in English. It is a flexible term that can be used to mean being liberal, approachable, or open minded in a variety of situations. 放 means to release, to let go, or to set off fireworks. The first meaning of 开放 has the meaning of being liberal or open minded. 他的思想很开放. His thoughts are very open. The second way of using 开放, 韩国政府全面开放青瓦台给大众参观. South Korean government opens the Blue House for public visits. So the 开放 means open rather than open-minded. 开幕式开幕式 means opening ceremony in English. It describes a function or a ceremony like a sporting event, festival, conference, or exhibition. The Chinese word 幕 means curtain or screen, and 式 is type, form, pattern, or style. 这次比赛的开幕式将在日本举行. The opening ceremony of this competition will be held in Japan. HSK Level 6. 开采 The Chinese term 开采 is frequently used in reference to the process of mining or extracting natural resources from the earth, such as ores or minerals. The Chinese word 采 is equivalent to pick, to pluck, to collect, and to select. 山里有罕见的矿石等着我们开采. There are rare minerals in the mountains waiting for us to exploit. 开除开除 is a frequently used phrase to describe the process of removing someone from a job, institution, or organization. 除 is to get rid of, to remove, or to exclude. 他被老板开除了. He was dismissed by the boss. 开阔开阔 can be used to refer to a large open area or to describe the process of broadening one's knowledge, vision, or perspective. Sentence examples: 旅行能开阔我们的视野. Traveling can broaden our horizons. 他家后面有个开阔的空地. Behind his house, there is an open and spacious area. 开朗 open and cheerful. The Chinese word 朗 has two meanings depending on the context that it is used. When used to describe a person, it means cheerful, whereas when describing a place, it means bright and clear. 小明是个聪明又开朗的小男孩. 小明 is a clever and cheerful young boy. 火车穿越山洞后，眼前变得豁然开朗。After the train passed through the mountain tunnel, the scene in front of my eyes suddenly became clear and open. So the 开朗 in this sentence does not mean cheerful, but means clear and open. 开明 enlightened or open-minded. This Chinese term is used to describe an individual, society, or attitude that is open minded, tolerant, and open to new ideas. Ming is equivalent to brightness, clarity, or intelligence, depending on the context. 他是一个开明的老板. He is an open-minded boss. 开支开支 is a Chinese phrase that is frequently used to describe the financial outlays or costs borne by a person, group, or government. It includes a range of expenses and payments. 经济不景气，我们必须减少无谓的开支。In the economic downturn, we must reduce unnecessary expenditures. 今天的视频到此结束，希望大家喜欢，谢谢大家的支持，再见。